Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this tutorial, we will be making a beautiful summer-inspired bracelet design using beads from the newest Softlex company design kit, Surf's Up. I am just adding in this adorable little turtle charm, just because it's kind of like Surf's Up, sand and sea. We have to have a turtle in our design. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also, I will leave a link down below in the description for any of the products I am using if they are still available, as well as the tutorial playlist for this fabulous design kit. Let's start creating. So this is just basic bead stringing with beads from the kit, a little bit of the mix from the exclusive items, the Jesse James bead mix, our beautiful Austrian crystal topaz spacers. We have to have sparkle in our summer design. These adorable ceramic beach balls, and then our gorgeous little shell charm beads. So when I'm doing bead stringing, I do like to keep it on the spool. It just kind of acts as a bead stopper. And also, if you're not sure the measurement that you may need to cut from Softlex, you're not wasting it as much because it's keeping it on the spool for a more accurate measurement. So we have our design already added onto the bead wire. And now we're just going to attach our 2x2s. And I'm using the silver ones that came in the kit. So I'm kind of mixing my metals a little bit between silver and gold. And your 2x2s are what's going to attach either to your clasp or your jump ring, and keep your jewelry or your beaded decor stationary. So we're just going to add on a bead to our Softlex wire, and I am using the beautiful fluorite wire. I think you could use turquoise or quartz, and I'll leave a link down below for all the other color choices of Softlex wire. So we have our 2x2 added on. We're just going to pass back through with our wire. This is going to create like a little loop or a connection point, and it's up to you how big or small you would like it to be. We're going to bring in our pliers and just give it a little squish. This is going to flatten our 2x2 and keep everything secure. I'm going to round my pliers and squeeze again. And this is just going to round the 2x2 and give it a more professional finish and make it look like a little bead. We do have a little extra Softlex wire. So I'm just going to trim that with my pliers. As you can see, there's a lot of Softlex wire showing. We're just going to slide all the beads down. Super sparkly bracelet. And then we just cut off a good working length from the spool, enough to add our second 2x2. So we're just going to do the same thing. Add on our 2x2 and pass back through. We just want to compare our loops and make sure that they are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. Take our pliers again, give it a squeeze and rotate. And trim off our extra Softlex wire. And we have our beautiful Surf's Up bracelet, super sparkly. And I just love the ceramic beads. There's a lot of ceramic beads on softlexcompany.com. Super high detail, so they're just gorgeous. So now we're just going to attach our clasp and then add on our little embellishments. So I have one more of my little shells, and I just went ahead and added that onto just an eye pin. And then I'm making my loop with my one-step looper tool. We just slide it into the tool and give it a squeeze. You could also do a simple loop or attach this with a jump ring or make your own little connection point out of Softlex. And then I just like to bring in my round nose plier and make sure that it's completely closed. You don't want to lose your little embellishment or charm. And then we're going to bring in a lobster claw. I think it's only fitting just because it's an under the sea or summer design. We use a lobster claw. Then I have some jump rings and our little embellishment charms. So we're going to open up our jump ring. And when we open up jump rings, we just want to gently twist. And then we're going to go ahead and attach our little lobster claw. and give it a close. And if you're not adding any embellishments, you can just attach your clasp directly to a jump ring. We're going to add on our turtle first and give it a close. And then we're going to add on our little shell, give it a close, and then we're going to add on our final jump ring and give it a close. So we have our little embellishments added on. And our last little jump ring is going to be our connection point. It's kind of a little design option. We have our little turtle and our shell, just so they're not kind of bunched up together and they can be separated. We have our beautiful bracelet with our ceramic beach balls and Austrian crystal, beautiful sparkly glass crystals and beads, our adorable little turtle charm. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more tutorial playlists and bracelet inspiration ideas, as well as the products used in today's video. Have an awesome day.